Why is it beneficial for a law firm to take a percentage of your settlement instead of you just paying them for their services? Now, before I answer that question, it's important to understand that law firms working on what's called a contingency fee, which is where they get a percentage of the case, has been going on since the late 1800s, so over 130 years. The first reason is my favorite reason, because if you know they're getting a percentage of your settlement, that means that they're going to do everything possible to get the highest possible settlement. Now imagine they didn't get a percentage of the settlement and you just had to pay them for every single hour that they worked on your case. In that situation, the result wouldn't matter because you have to pay them by the hour no matter what your settlement is. Oh my gosh, the corruption that would go down. Lawyers would be charging their clients $20, $30, $40, $50,000 for their services, and the clients would be walking away with like $10,000 in their pocket. So they'd literally have to pay on the case. Shoot, imagine the insurance companies denying a case and then your lawyer going to you and saying, look, you still don't have a settlement offer here and they're denying your case. So now we need to file a lawsuit. It's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So you're going to be paying us hourly for the next 2, 3, 4 years on your case. And yeah, the second reason is kind of segueing from that. They don't have to pay anything. When you get involved with a law firm on your personal injury case, there's no upfront costs at all. You don't have to pay the medical bills. You don't have to pay the law firm who is there paying a bunch of people in their office to work on your case. They're taking all the risk because if there is no settlement, that law firm gets nothing. So there's a comfort in knowing that no matter what happens here, I won't have to pay anything. Now, if you want to dispute 33%, 40%, 45%, I mean, you could dispute those things. But in the world that I live in, you get paid based on the value that you bring to the table. That's how everyone should be paid, and no matter what industry they're in. In the case that I just broke down in response to this comment, we went from $3,300 in the client's pocket to $25,000 in the client's pocket that he would have never been able to do on his own. So look, if the attorneys are just too much money, then take your $3,300 and don't hire them then. In closing, I do understand that not all lawyers are going to do a good job for you. And that really sucks. It pisses me off when I come across one that just does a terrible job. So I'm sorry if that ever happened to you. I could promise you if you ever reach out to me in regards to your case, I will be so transparent with you. I will let you know all the possibilities that could happen on your case before we even start the case. That way there's no surprises and you don't ever feel like you're taken advantage of. I operate in the light. I'm a man of God, operate in the light, never in the darkness. You got to reveal everything. You got to say these are all the possibilities and the outcomes, and this is what we could possibly do. So it's up to you if you want to move forward or not. All right, and that's what you do. So God bless you and have a good day.